fee structure and scholarships, SRM cutoffs. You will not get any mail. You should log into your dashboard and fill your choices. Hello. Once again, before commenting down your query, please watch the video carefully, then ask your question, because I have seen many comments without watching the video, they ask their questions. So even though I explained in that video, they don't care about that. They'll surely once again going to ask me in the comment section. That is why please watch the video. If you still didn't understand, then go for the comment section and you give your query. Chalo then. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Sriram Malayala. In this particular video, I am going to talk about your favorite topic and your most awaited thing, that is SRM Phase 2 counseling process, counseling details and cutoffs and fee structures and scholarships of KTR, Ramapuram, AP and NCR campuses. So without taking much time, let's get into the video. If you want to call me and clear all your doubts, use the link in the description where I explained a detailed process in which way you can call me through the one particular application. So please watch the video and you can call me and clear all your doubts. It is nothing like I'm going to stop replying the comments. I will be replying the comments. I will be replying your Instagram messages. I will be replying your mails. Everything will be as it is. If you still have any doubts which you want to clarify one-on-one with talking, so you can use that particular video link which I explained the process. You can call me and clear all your doubts. Chalo then. So SRM Phase 2 details by Sai Sriram Malayala. So counseling schedule, first let us talk about counseling schedule. So this is the schedule given by SRM Phase 2. So yesterday the results are out, that is 5th July, and from today 6th, 7th and 8th counseling choice filling will be started for round 1 to 3 rounds will be there, round 1, round 2 and round 3. You can see 6, 7, 8 will be choice filling 3 days and 9th will be allotment and 10th to 13th will be payment of fees. How much is the payment of fees? 1,10,000 in phase 1. So they may change or keep it as same in this particular round also. So let us see. And coming to round 2, 15 to 16 will be choice filling, 18th will be allotment, 19 to 22 will be payment of fees, and round 3, 24 to 25 is choice filling, 27 is allotment and 28 to 31 is payment of fees. That is 1,10,000. So yeah guys, so this is about phase 2 schedule. So now after just explaining this particular thing, you will get in doubts on where to fill the choice. And one more important thing, so many are asking, bro, we did not got any mail regarding counseling. So how is that possible? So don't worry, you will not get any mail. You should log into your dashboard and fill your choices. So now I will show you how to fill the choices. Emerge Class 11th JEE Mains and Advanced 2023 batch is starting from 7th July. You can see on the right, these are the faculty who is going to teach this particular batch. And Early Google batch, JEE Main and Advanced 2022. So you can see very good faculty is going to teach for this particular Early Google batch, and that batch is starting from 7th July. IIT JEE July Jumbo offer Iconic subscription. If you take Iconic subscription, you will be getting branded, Unacademy branded notes to your doorstep. Previous price is 65,000 for 1 year. Now it is 10% off, 59,999. And for 2 years price, previously the amount is 1 lakh. Now the discounted price is 79,999 with 20% offer. When it comes to plus subscription 2-year discount, it is 10%, 10.7% of discount, which you will be getting at 49,999 plus subscription. The deadline for this particular offer is also 16th July, and you will be getting this particular extension until 31st August of 2023, because we don't know exactly when exactly the JEE Advanced going to happen now. So there is a chance, there is a scope of extending your subscription till 31st August 2023. Now comes to IIT JEE plus NEET UG Jumbo offer. In this particular Jumbo combo, 2-year subscription, the price will be 59,999. This is also valid up to 16th July. And guys, so if you are really interested in any of these things, please use the links in the description. And don't forget to use my code CharanYT and you will be getting instant 10% discount on these particular subscriptions on Unacademy. Chalo then, use the links in the description. So yeah guys, so I will be leaving this particular website link in the description. Just enter your application number and date of birth, then click on login. So if you click on login, just see here, this particular interface will be coming to you. At present there is no option for program selection, right? Soon they will update, as today 6. By the evening they may update. Don't worry, so I have a solution for you. So I will show you the previous phase 1 screenshots, so which will be really helpful for you guys. So this is about phase 2. So on the left you can see one more option called program selection. I will show you once again. So just after logging in, just you can see here dashboard, education details, documents upload, and here program selection button is there, right? So in this way you will be getting your program selection button. just click on that. So it may update very soon. So until and unless it gets updated, please check the dashboard regularly. Just log in for every 30 minutes or every 1 hour and check whether the option is enabled or not. And after clicking that program selection, you will be taken to this particular interface where you need to choose the campus, choose the program. Here one important thing is you need to select only one campus, you need to select only one program. So you can't give your preference like VIT, like for preference 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can't give more than one options. You should give only one option. So that is why, guys, before giving the choice, be careful such a way that if you fill that particular choice and if it gets allotted to you, you should surely go to that, because if you get allotment and you cancel that, I mean you don't pay any fees for that, you are not allowed to for another round. And if you got allotment, if you pay the fees, that seat will be reserved on your name. And if you didn't got any allotment, you will be allowed to participate in next phase. But if you got allotment and if you don't pay fee, so you are not allowed to participate in phase 2. That is why if you are going to choose any one option, make sure that if you get allotment, you should surely go to that. So if you just keep like that and after getting the seat, I am not interested but I want to participate in next round, you are not allowed. So please take care of this. So this particular program selection button, so you can see here program selection button, here institution you have to keep and here program, and click on submit. So this program selection button will be soon updated on your portal. So this is screenshot of one student in phase 1. So I am using that particular thing here. So don't confuse now. Now coming to main important thing, and this is one of the most awaited thing, I guess. Many of you are asking me like anything regarding this SRM cutoffs. So actually one important thing I wanted to share you here is, before I am showing the cutoffs, please don't take this as official cutoff. These are expected cutoffs, because SRM or any private university don't just give their cutoffs outside. This particular cutoff you should use just as an idea for filling the choice. So please don't think that if you get so and so rank, you will surely get. So there may be changes here and there, plus 1000 or minus 1000 or plus 500 or minus 500 may change here and there. So that is what I am saying. This is expected cutoff. Okay. And if you see branch, so CSE core 3500 to 4000 range. Last time I have seen like 3600 student got core CSE and 3100 student also got core CSE in phase 1 round 1. And artificial intelligence 4000, CSA ML 5000, cloud computing 6000, business system 6500, big data analytics 7000. Once you can pause the video and you can check out these cutoffs for CSC and specializations. Mostly these particular cutoffs are for main campus, KTR campus, because other campus cutoffs are, I'm not able to find other campus cutoffs. So just add something around 2000 ranks or 1500 ranks to these particular things, that will be giving you Ramapuram cutoffs. If you had 3000 or 2500 something like that, that may give you AP cutoffs. So if you add somewhere around 1000 to 1500, that will give you NCR cutoffs. So it depends. So this is about ECE, EEE, mechatronics, mechanical, aerospace, automobile, civil, chemical, biotechnology. Once please pause the video and check this out cutoffs. Now fee structure and scholarships. I think many of you are waiting for this particular fee structure and scholarships. So don't worry, I will be showing you with exact information from the official websites. So first and foremost, I will be showing you the tuition fees of each and every campus. If you see here, so just please note down this. So there is a bracket A, fee with SRM merit scholarship rank based on tuition fees. Okay, so please mention that. And B, bracket B is subsidized fee, campus subsidized fee. And these are undergraduate programs. If you see, these are KTR and Ramapuram, Vadapalani, NCR, Amaravati, and I don't know what exactly HYN. So for CSE, if you see, so there is CSE in business systems, it is 2,50,000 in bracket A. So what is meant by bracket? Those who get merit scholarship, that is the fees. Those who don't get, it is 3.5. Okay. So and CSE will be 2.5 bracket A. So please, many people have like started arguing with me regarding this particular thing. I have even though said that there is a bracket called A, so actual fees is 3.5L, and those who get merit scholarship only, those fees will be 2.5L from second year. And I will be showing you regarding the scholarships as we move forward. And Ramapuram fees is 2 lakhs, and Vadapalani 2.25, and NCR is 2 lakhs, and Amaravati is 2.5 lakhs, and that is also, if you see, after getting SRM merit scholarship. Okay, so now these are about, once I will be leaving this particular tuition fee link. So these tuition fees links in the description, you can check out all these fee links. opening this particular website. Let me show you the scholarships in KTR campus. If you see scholarships in KTR campus, SRM JEE rank 1 to 100, percentage of scholarship is NA. So total, like in phase 1 and phase 2, both of them will get 100% tuition fee, 100% hostel, transport and mess fee waiver for first year. From the second year onwards, it will be depending upon your CGPA. So CGPA and all you can check once you join that particular college. You can ask any faculty there, so they will give you the info. And those who get 101 to 500 ranks, 100% tuition fee waiver in phase 2. Okay, and they need to pay only hostel and mess. And when it comes to CBSE Merit 1, so only those who are joining with direct +2 admissions. Many of you got 2 ranks, right? So those who are joining with direct +2 marks admissions, if your score is in PCM above 98%, you will get total free for first year. I mean hostel, mess, everything, tuition, everything 100%. And those who get 95% to 98% in PCM CBSE, 100% tuition fee waiver. Okay. And children with defense personnel, they will get 25% tuition fee waiver on each and every phase. Okay, so this is about scholarships in KTR campus. Now let me show you scholarships in Ramapuram campus. If you see scholarships in Ramapuram campus, Chairman Scholarship, CBSE and State Board District Top in any district in India. So for civil, triple and mechanical, full tuition fees is a scholarship. And CSE, CSE, specialization, EC, IT, biomedical, biotechnology, 85 to 90% scholarship. And Ramapuram Merit scholarships, 85% and above in JEE Mains. For CSE and specialization courses, 30%. Okay, this is a scholarship amount. And 75% and above in JEE Mains. And except CSE and information technology will get 30%. So guys, this particular link, every link I'm going to show, like every campus link, scholarships I will be linking in the description. You can once check out those scholarship links and open those and get exact idea. So here Ramapuram Merit scholarship grade 2, above 90% aggregate in PCM of for all state boards and CBSE, all branches 50% scholarship. And Ramapuram Merit scholarship grade 3, 75 to 90% aggregate in PCM for all state boards, all branches 30% tuition fee waiver. So for sports quota is there, you can once check. And students for semester abroad program, first grade scholarships. Okay, first student must be the first graduate of the family. Then 25% alumni of sibling concession fee, referral scholarship. So these are about Ramapuram scholarships. Now let me show you SRM AP scholarship. If you find SRM AP scholarship, founder scholarship, award to top 50 rankers in SRM JEE 2021 phase 1 and phase 2 will get 100% on tuition fee, hostel, mess and everything. Top 50 in KTR, top 500. Means top 100 will get everything free, top 101 to 500 will get only tuition fee. So here 51 to 100 will get only tuition fee, 100% scholarship in first year. And from second year CGPA you need to maintain. And SRM JEE rank based merit concession awarded ranks to the students between rank 101 to 1000 rank students. If in phase 1 and phase 2 at CSE branch, you will be getting 50,000 per tuition fee as a concession. Okay, 50,000 as a concession. So this is about SRMAP. This link is also will be in the description regarding the scholarships of SRMAP. Now comes to SRM University Delhi NCR. When it comes to SRM University Delhi NCR, so this particular thing is circulating in the website, like in the Google a lot, and many people have sent me this particular screenshot, and they are thinking that this particular thing will be there for each and every campus. It is nothing like that. This particular thing is only for Delhi NCR campus. The 100% tuition fee waiver for top 500 rankers. 501 to 1000 will get 75% first year tuition fee, and just see first year. Okay, and 50% tuition fee for 1000 to 500, 25% tuition fee for 5000 to 10,000, and 10% first year tuition fee for 10,000 to 30,000 rank students. So yeah, I hope I have given you all the info regarding SRM counseling, fee structure and concessions, everything. If you find this as a time worthy video, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.